Discover our adventurous set. Step 1. Clean and condition. Use our 2-in-1, Wash and Tame, to cleanse and condition your beard. Step 2. Beard oil. Our beard oil is made with hydrating oils like jojoba, argan, safflower, grapeseed, and avocado oil. Step 3. Moisturize. Next, use our beard butter to moisturize your beard and the skin underneath. Crafted with shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil, make beard butter a certified staple in your beard care routine. Step 4. Style. Tame those flyaways and lock it all in with our beard balm. Made with beeswax and olive oil, so you'll not only style your beard, but you'll moisturize it as well. Step 5. Brush it out. Style it out with our bristle brush. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Beard Guyz has your back. Beard Guyz, unleash your beast.